Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about gravitation Part 1. As you have seen about the motion in a straight line, we will now use acceleration due to gravity. So we define a to g. In a planet Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, can be approximate to 10 as well. As you wish to see the list of gravitation in details, you can find out like the source wikipedia.org. When you live in space, there must be zero gravity, like in the movie Apollo 13, where the rocket is sent to outer space. Did you know NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, who had introduced the rocket, and was established in 1958? NASA can support the International Space Station and is overseeing the development of the Orion Multi-Purpose Crew Vehicle, the Space Launch System and commercial crew vehicles. The rocket was first launched in July 1950, that is Bumper 2, an ambitious two-stage rocket program that topped a V-2 missile base with a Corporal rocket. When the rocket was first landed in Moon, Neil Armstrong, commander of Apollo 11, began the first-hand report to the world of the epic voyage of Eagle and Columbia to the Moon and back to Earth. The voyage began at 9:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time July 16th, when a Saturn V rocket launched Apollo 11 into Earth orbit from Cape Kennedy. This was a brief history, but that's enough for the part. Move on to part 2. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.